is Michaela and I'm a coordinator for our Infrastructure Maintenance Division here at NAIDOC. I am a proud Whadjuk Noongar woman and have worked at NAIDOC for the past 2 years, so it's always great to see our company getting involved in the NAIDOC Week celebrations. This year, the theme is Get Up, Stand Up, Show Up. To me, NAIDOC Week means recognition, appreciation and celebration of my beautiful culture. NAIDOC Week provides an opportunity to recognise our Aboriginal and Indigenous cultures and keeping it strong for the next generation. It creates greater opportunities to educate and enlighten people who have very little knowledge of our culture and offers a platform for us to connect and unite as one. It serves as a reminder to be proud of our colour and culture and empowers us to share what we know and who we are. To all of my fellow Australians, no matter your background or heritage, I encourage you to get up, stand up and show up for a future that we can all be proud of.